How to get the best Webtoon promo codes in 2025. Now, the first thing that you have to do is, of course, pull up any web browsers that you can use. It's either from your laptop or from the browser on your mobile phone. Now, what you want to do is I'm going to be providing you specific promo codes that has been expired. So these are the list of all the codes that you can no longer use. So if you have done your research and if one of those codes is going to be here, then all you have to do is just simply disregard that code because it's not going to be working. So this is as of 2024. So since we are already in 2025, I have these specific codes that you can go ahead and use. So that's going to be from sarkairpocket.com and then just head directly search for Webtoon 2025. So these are the codes that you can try and use. These codes will provide you free coins. This is for working codes and so on and so forth. So these are all the codes that you can use and they also have a specific status if that code is working or not. So that's it. That's how you get a code or promotional codes from Webtoon in 2025.